Okay, everyone, I'll go ahead and show you how to reset your network settings on your iPhone. Now, the process is pretty easy. It doesn't take too much time, but you do have to remember that this will pretty much reset all the network settings on your device. So this may include Bluetooth devices that you have. This will probably include Wi-Fi connections and all of that stuff. So if you have any of that kind of stuff saved and you don't want to lose it, then you probably don't want to do this. But for everyone else, if you know what you're getting into, then what you want to do is you want to hop inside of your settings app like this. Then what you want to do is scroll down until you get into your general settings, which is right here. You then want to scroll down until you see reset. So the reset button is going to be right here. You want to go ahead and click there. And then what you want to do is right here, this mid-tier option where it says reset network settings. Well, you want to go ahead and click that. Now, when you click that, it's going to go ahead and give you this little prompt, or it's going to tell you to type in your passcode. So you want to go ahead and type in your passcode. And once you do that, it'll go ahead and tell you down here that this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory settings. So again, the major thing here is Wi-Fi. So if you're all the Wi-Fi connections you've been connected to, it will take you out of there, and you will have to manually connect back to them. So you click the reset network settings, and then your iPhone may reboot, and all your network settings will be reset, and you can go ahead and connect to whatever you want to at that point. So that's pretty much it. Very easy process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.